everyone, welcome to the new video with the new chapter, the United Nations. So, in this chapter, we will be going to know about the Second World War, which was started on 1939 and it ended in 1945. This was an atomic war. It ended with the atomic war, and also it has destroyed the two states, that was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So let's move ahead to know more about the consequences of this war through this chapter. Lesson 16, the United Nations. Write the full forms of the given words. So this UNICEF is United Nations Children's Funds. Similarly, WHO stands for World Health Organization. So similarly, you have to write the rest of the parts. Now, you have read that Second World War broke out in 1939 and ended in 1945. So this was more disastrous than the First World War. से भी ज़्यादा disastrous था. There was a huge loss of life and property in this war. After the First World War, the League of Nations that was formed to maintain कि peace maintain होना चाहिए in the world, but it could not succeed in its aim. And the Second World War broke out in 1939. This was started by Germany. This war became an atomic war in the end when USA dropped its atom bombs on the two cities of Japan. So ये war जो था ये start किया गया, that was started by the Germany. This war became an atomic war बना in the end जब USA ने drop किए दो atom bombs on the two cities of Japan. They were Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. After the Second World War, the leaders of some countries began to realize that it was necessary to form a more powerful world organization बनाना जरूरी था than the League of Nations to prevent any world war in future and to provide better living conditions to all the peoples of the world. The charter of this new organization that was called United Nations Organization, UNO, it was signed by at San Francisco में जो ये बनाया गया था UNO, it was signed by many countries. On 26 June 1945, a conference हुआ 50 countries including UK, USA and Russia, allied and including winning the powers in the Second World War. Then on 24th October 1945, UNO was formally formed हो चुका था. Fact, Germany, Italy, Japan, they were called the Axis powers during Second World War and the Axis powers were defeated. This name, United Nations Organization, was given at instance of Franklin D. Roosevelt. तो ये जो नाम दिया गया यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये दिया गया फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट के टाइम पे, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका उस टाइम पे थे. लेटर ऑन दिस नेम वाज शॉर्टेंड, उसको छोटा कर दिया गया टू यूएन, यूनाइटेड नेशंस. नाउ द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस दे आर एट न्यूयॉर्क, यूएसए में है इसके हेडक्वार्टर्स. भारत जॉइंड द यूएन ऑन 30 अक्टूबर 1945 एंड इन दिस वे इनिशियली इट हैड अ मेंबरशिप of 51 countries, but now the membership it has increased to 192 countries. Objectives of the UN. Now following objectives जो है mentioned है इस chapter में: to maintain international peace और security maintain करना, to develop friendly relations among nations, to achieve international cooperation in solving social, economic, cultural problem world की solve करना, to promote human rights. Now some of the important human rights mentioned in UN Charter are as follows. All persons should have right to freedom of expression. सबके पास होना चाहिए अपनी बोलकर through speech and writing. All persons should be equal होने चाहिए before law. All persons should have the right to education and employment according to their choice. वो कुछ भी education में आगे कर सकते हैं, अपने according job कर सकते हैं. There should be equal pay for equal work. Everyone should have the right to follow his or her own religion. Everyone should have the right to travel all over the world, travel कर सकते हैं, and everyone should have the right to marry according to his or her own wish. They can marry. Most of these rights are incorporated in our constitution. The main principle of the UN are to respect the sovereignty of each nation, to settle all disputes among different nations by peaceful means, को disputes को शांति से solve किया जाए, to avoid threats and use of force, ना धमकी नहीं दी जाए, ना ही कोई force, to give support in all activities. So all the member countries must agree to all these principles. The different organs of United Nations are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council. Trusteeship Council, Secretariat, and the International Court of Justice. Now, General Assembly formed हुई by all the members of the United Nations. Each member country has vote. सब member country के पास one vote होता है और it can send 5 representative to the General Assembly. भेज सकते हैं. A resolution can be passed in General Assembly अगर 2/3 उसके members जो है agree करते हैं. Its headquarters are in New York. The Security Council is the most important organ of United Nations because its main function is to maintain peace, maintain करना world में. It tries to resolve the disputes को resolve करना उनका main motive है, which can lead to war between various nations. It has 15 members, out of which 5 are the permanent members, which are given veto powers. तो इनके जो members होते हैं 15 होते हैं, जिसमें से 5 को अलग different veto power दी जाती है. A resolution in the Security Council can't be passed अगर any of the permanent members disagree to it. कि किसी भी एक member ने अगर disagree कर दिया तो resolution pass नहीं किया जाएगा. These permanent members are USA, Russia, UK, France, and China. And if needed, it can send peacekeeping forces to maintain peace between the varying nations. Its headquarters are also in New York. The Economic and Social Council looks after economic and social problems of the member countries of the United Nations. The Economic and Social Council जो है, they look after economic और social problems को देखते हैं countries की. It has 54 members which are elected for a period of 3 years. It supervises the work of various agencies for the economic and social welfare of the member nations of the UN. उसके headquarters they हैं, they're in New York. The Trusteeship Council that was set up की गई to look after the interest of the trust territories जो है UN के. But now its work almost over हो गया है because all the trust territories they have become independent. सब जितनी भी territories हैं they have become independent. International Court of Justice settles international disputes को settle करते हैं जो पूरे world की disputes होती है. It has 15 judges जो elect किए जाते हैं by the General Assembly for a period of 9 years के लिए. It is located at Hague, that is Netherlands. The Secretariat is the administrative organ है UN का. It is headed by Secretary General जो अपॉइंट किया जाता है बाय जनरल असेंबली ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के रिकमेंडेशन में पीरियड ऑफ 5 years के लिए. द सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ यूएन प्लेज आर लीडिंग रोल इन कैरिंग आउट वेरियस एक्टिविटीज को कैरी करने में लीडिंग रोल देता है ऑफ द यूएन विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स एंड एजेंसीज. इट्स हेडक्वार्टर्स आर इन न्यूयॉर्क. फैक्ट्स: द फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ यूएन वाज Trygve Lie of Norway and the present Secretary General is Ban Ki-moon. Specialized agencies of the UN. UN carry out its various functions of the welfare of the people through its specialized agencies. Some of the specialized agencies of UN are UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It helps in education and health of the millions of poor children and their mother by giving them food and medicines. Its headquarters are in New York. So UNICEF, that is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. ये हेल्प करता है एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ बहुत सारे पुअर चिल्ड्रन के एंड उनकी मदर बाय गिविंग देम फूड प्रोवाइड करना, मेडिसिन. इट्स हेडक्वार्टर्स आर इन न्यूयॉर्क. फैक्ट्स: आंगनवाड़ी एक प्रोग्राम है कंडक्ट किया गया भारत में विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूनिसेफ टू हेल्प द पुअर मदर्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. यूनेस्को, यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट हेल्प्स इन द एक्सचेंज में हेल्प करता है टेक्निकल नॉलेज अमंग द नेशंस. उसके हेडक्वार्टर्स जो है दे आर इन पेरिस, फ्रांस. The WHO, World Health Organization, the main function जो है इस एजेंसी का to control fatal disease with the help of new vaccines and medicines discovered by expert doctors जो इस एजेंसी में काम कर रहे हैं. उसके headquarters हैं जिनेवा में, स्विट्जरलैंड. Several fatal diseases such as malaria, tuberculosis, cholera, they are now curable. Facts: polio drops are now given to children with the help of WHO to eradicate polio. Comes FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. It helps the developing countries को उन्होंने help किया in using modern scientific methods of farming को use कर सके for increasing agricultural production को बढ़ाने के लिए. It provides food to those countries जो suffer कर रही है from food shortage. Its headquarters are in Rome, Italy. Then ILO, International Labour Organization. ILO was formed in 1919 में form हुआ as an independent organization. Earlier ये organ था League of Nations का. It became the specialized agency of UN in 1946. उसके main functions थे कि condition of laborers को improve करना throughout the world. Its headquarters are in Geneva. IMF, International Monetary Fund. IMF and World Bank help the developing countries by giving them loans देना, financial aid for their developmental projects. In this way we see that United Nations बहुत ही great role play कर रहे हैं in maintaining peace in the world and improving the living condition of the people उनके इम्प्रूव करना ऑल ओवर दी वर्ल्ड थ्रू इट्स डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स एंड एजेंसीज। ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इसने सक्सीड किया है अ लॉट इन इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, बट स्टिल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अकर होती हैं बिटवीन नेशंस। They can approach the United Nations to solve these disputes. Some developing countries भी हैं, they are facing the problems of poverty, illiteracy, unemployment. However, this world organization succeed हुआ अपने basic objective जो उनका था उसको पूरा करने में of maintaining peace world में maintain करना, because no world war has broken out since its जब से वो form हुआ है उसके बाद world war कोई नहीं हुआ है, but there have been some wars हुए हैं among few nations, but a big world war hasn't happened till now. Points to learn: the League of Nations formed after First World War could not stop occurrence of the Second World War. So, United Nations was formed on 24th October 1945, a more powerful world organization. Initially, there were 51 members of UN, but now it has 192 members. Main objectives of United Nations are to maintain peace and security in the world and to help in the social, economic, and cultural development of all the people of the world. Main organs of United Nations are the General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and Secretariat. Security Council is the most important organ because its main function है maintain the peace in the world. 5 permanent members of Security Council, they are USA, Russia, UK, France, and China. These permanent members are given veto power. Economic and Social Council looks after economic and social problems of member countries of the United Nations. The Secretariat is the administrative organ of UN. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly upon the recommendation of the Security Council for a period of 5 years. UN carries out its various functions for the welfare of the world people through its specialized agencies UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, FAO, ILO, and IMF. Now let's do the workout objective type questions. Tick the correct option. The UNO Charter was signed on 26 June 1945. The headquarters of United Nations are at New York. The administrative organ of United Nations is General Assembly. The Security Council has 15 members. The agency of the UN which looks after the welfare of the poor children and their mother is called that UNICEF. Let's do fill in the blanks. The Second World War was started by Germany. The Charter of the United Nations Organization was signed at San Francisco. The ILO became a special agency of the UN in 1946. And most important organ of the UN is the Assembly Council. Now let's do the true and false. The League of Nations was formed after First World War. True. Only the developed countries are the members of the United Nations. False. The Secretary General of United Nations is elected for a term of 5 years. False. The member country of United Nations can send only one representative to the General Assembly. True. All the members of the Security Council are given veto power. False. Not all the members are given this power. Let's do match the following. That is organ of agency of the UN and their headquarters. Cut International Court of Justice, Hague. Security Council, New York. UNESCO, Paris. WHO, Geneva, and FAO, Rome. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. Go through it again, do the exercises carefully. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.